exciting!
Ooh, let's see if we can catch some on our tongues.
The snow tastes just like water.
That's because snow is water.
It is?
It is! And so is ice.
What?
I'll explain with a little snow science. MerCat here with the cold, hard facts about snow science. Cold or hot or kind of warm, water comes in different forms. I know it might sound kind of strange, but water has the power to change. Just a drop in temperature and water turns to ice or snow. Come on and let the knowledge flow.
Snow science and wintry weather.
Snow science, the colder the better. Snow science, water drops freeze together.
Woo, you better bring a sweater.
When it's cold, water freezes to ice. Solid, so it stacks up nice. To change it back, make it hotter, turn it back into water. Then before it can be snow, it turns to vapor. Up it goes. A chill in the air is all it takes. Turn that vapor into flakes.
Snow science and wintry weather. Snow science, the colder the better. Snow science, water drops freeze together.
Ooh, snow science!
Yowzers! Did you know water could turn into ice and snow?
I had no idea.
My favorite thing about water is what you can do with it after you freeze it.
Like what?
Oh, like making an ice castle.
Whoa!
It's like a sand castle, but made out of ice.
That is so cool! Huh. Brr, and cold, too.
Oh, can you show us how to make one?
Of course! Okay, first we need ice. So let's fill up some of these sandcastle toys with water.
Now what?
Now while we wait for the water to freeze, we dance!
Fantastic move, Gabby!
Thanks. I call it a snowflake. Spin like a snowflake with me.
Freeze!
Your ice is ready!
Woohoo! It's castle building time! Whoopsie! Huh? You know the tricky thing about building with ice? It's super slippery. We can't stack them up.
It's okay, Pandy. We can't stack them up yet. But maybe MerCat knows a trick that could help us.
You bet I do! All we need is a little snow science. Well, snow science and a little salt shaker.
Salt shaker?
Yup, a little snow science fun fact for ya. Salt melts ice. Watch. The ice melted a little.
Ooh, it's wet. And salty.
Then you put another piece of ice on top, and when the water in the middle gets cold again, the ice freezes together.
It worked. They're stuck together.
Here, you try.
Let's give it a go. Salt.
Stack.
Freeze!
Whoa, that's cool.
Here we go. Salt.
Stack.
Freeze!
Salt.
Stack.
Freeze!
Salt. Stack. Freeze. Salt. Stack.
Freeze!
Woo! Woo!
Shimmering sea scales. Your ice castle looks catastic.
Thanks, but I think it needs one last thing. Ta-da! Now it's a kitty ice castle.
It's ice-tastic!